Hello, I hope everyone is okay. I'm going to explain the log requirement. So let's start. Name of assignment, written log project, log for short, LOG. Due date, April 24, 2020. Grade value, 30% of your final grade. How to transmit the log to me. Send to roman.krys@wanadu.fr. How to identify your log in the objet subject email slot. A lot of you are still having problems with this identification thing. So, your last name, the course code, polls 210, and then log, the name of the assignment, LOG. Please do it this way. It just speeds up my corrections. Which file format? Word doc or Word docs. I will not accept anything else. I will not accept PDF. And by all means, be careful because sometimes you might send doc or docs in UTF form. And my computer, for whatever reason, does not open up the UTF format. So, Word doc, Word docs, no PDF funny stuff, and watch out for the UTF. I don't want UTF. What exactly do you want us to do? Well, I want you to write 3 600-word essays on 3 different international relations subjects using 3 different sources. Repeat, 3 essays, 3 different international relations subjects, 3 different sources. Each essay, 600 words, international relations subject. What is an international relations subject? The subject must be or must cross borders. Purpose of essay. Do not write a summary of the subject. What I want from you is your analysis of the subject. And remember, we are all allowed to have our own opinions, but we're not allowed to have our own facts. At the end of each essay, give the source reference in the following way. Title of article, name of author, name of source, date article was written, month, day, year. And do not give me the link to your source. Do not give me the link to your source thinking that this is the source reference. It's not. I want you to write out what I just said to write out. Title, name, etc., etc. 3 different international relations subjects must be chosen. And again, what constitutes an international relations subject? It's a subject which crosses borders. In other words, it cannot be domestic unless this domestic part involves international actors. Again, it must cross international borders. And you have to have 3 different subjects. All right. The sources are, well, they're chosen by me. So you have to use these sources. First one, Counterpunch. There it is. It's on the web and it's a freebie. Second one, the Intercept. It's on the web. Another freebie. Third one, Popular Resistance. Another freebie. So you're limited to these 3 sources. Please send me one email which contains one file, which in turn contains all 3 essays. In other words, I do not want 3 separate files, or I don't want 3 separate emails. One email containing one file containing all 3 essays. Okay, so let's look at the perfect example. So what would be the perfect example? I choose a subject like the ICC, the International Criminal Court. I go into one of the 3 sources. Let's say it's Counterpunch, and I write an essay. I choose another subject. Let's say it's the way that Iceland is dealing with the coronavirus pandemic. I go into Popular Resistance, and I write an essay about it, about the Icelandic way to deal with the pandemic. Okay, I choose another subject, and that's, let's say it's Venezuela, USA, the recent events. The Trump administration has put a bounty basically on the head of President Maduro, $15 million. All right, I go to the Intercept. I find an article and I react to the article, and I write an essay. So that's the perfect example, because what I have done is I've written about 3 different international relations subjects using 3 different sources, the required sources. Well, all right, get to work. April 24 is the due date. I close the floodgates April 24, midnight.